running in the sand, living on the land. The salty breeze was in our eyes. We stood beneath the dragonflies and danced all night. We polished all the chrome on a rusty little home. We slept all night in parking lots. We tied our hearts in double knots, so tight, so free, so bright. Remember when we were just cherubs in our tender skins, waiting patiently for love to begin. Flowing so free, blowing in the breeze, the songs we sung so long ago. With whiskey and an afterglow, we shine like new. But there along the way, something seemed to change. As weeks turned into months, we knew as life caught up, we slowly grew apart and untied.